Gonna build a lightsaber.
I want to apologize for rushing you in like that. With the first order being right outside, you can never be too sure. But let me tell you, you're inside, you're safe. Go ahead and take a look around. I know you see nothing but old junk, but let me tell you, there's new junk too. Let me stop right there. Let me introduce ourselves. You need heroes to step in. Heroes like Luke Skywalker. We've heard of him? Yes.
I know about Luke.
All right, good. Excellent. Now he was that hope to the galaxy, and now there's a new hope, Rey. She's being that beacon of light that we believe. It bonds the builder and the Force together. It is a very powerful tool in the Force. The kyber crystal. Probably the most important part of any lightsaber. Some say it is the heart of the lightsaber, able to channel the energy of the Force and magnify it into a blade. And the color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade. And throughout our journey throughout the galaxy, we were able to find 4 of them for you today. Starting with blue, once used by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his young apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, beautiful and rare, Master Mace Windu. Red, the crystal power, Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But enough of their stories. It is time for you to choose your path. My fellow galleries are going to go around with the canisters, and now you may choose your crystal. Open your...
The most rarest one.
Used by the Grey Jedi.
Choice. Now those crystals are very powerful, and now they're going to need a place to put it in, to harness that energy.
Oh.
These are the pieces of your lightsaber that you've chosen before coming here. Go ahead and browse through them. Go ahead and take a look at them. Imagine a finished lightsaber in your mind. Now these pieces are very rare and very hard to find. But as gatherers, we're very happy that we did. Now builders, let's get used to our pieces. First, you have your chassis. Sections 1 and 2, you have your sleeves. Section 3, you have your end caps, or your emitters. Section 4, you have your end caps. And Section 5, your activation plates. All right, builders, now that we know our pieces, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Are we ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Let's build. First, you're going to grab your chassis with the hollow end pointing up. In the middle of the chassis is going to be a chamber, and on top of the chamber is going to be a spring-loaded plate. Okay? You're going to grab your kyber crystal.
Thank you.
You're going to push up on that spring-loaded plate into a standing-up position. If done correctly, you shall hear a chime and the vents flashing the same color. Again, you want to push up on that spring-loaded plate with your kyber crystal into a standing-up position. If you need help, please let us know. Again, you're going to push up on that spring-loaded plate into a standing-up position. Excellent. Now raise your chassis. Let's see those beautiful lights. Excellent. Now we're going to go to Section 5. You have 2 choices of activation plates. In Section 5, you're going to pick 1 matching activation plate. Inside your activation plate is going to be a blue rectangle and a red square. You're going to see the same on your chassis. A blue rectangle and a red square. You're going to match them up like a puzzle. Blue to blue, red to red. And it's just snap on.
Ooh.
Once you've done that, go ahead and push up on your activation switch. You want to hear a misfire. That is a good sound. Again, you're going to match red to red, blue to blue.
Yeah.
Alright, one more time, go ahead and switch up on those activation switch. Excellent. Let's go to sections 1 and 2. You have 4 choices of sleeves. You're going to pick your favorite 2 sleeves. Go either on top or on the bottom. It is your choice. But builders, real quick, can I have everyone's attention? On the sleeve is going to be a larger, thicker band. You're going to put that towards your activation plate and push and twist until it locks. Okay? You're going to do the same for the bottom. Larger, thicker band towards the activation plate, push and twist until it locks.
Oh.
Some is harder to tell than others.
Yeah, because that's okay.
Push and twist. Alright, now let's go to section 3. You have 2 choices of emitters. You're going to put it on top of the hollow end and just twist it on until it locks. Your favorite, you have 2 choices. You're going to pick your favorite and put it on top of the hollow end and just push and twist. Or push and twist. Excellent. Alright, and now we're going to flip our chassis upside down. You're going to go to section 4.
Sometimes it takes a little more force. There we go. Alright, with those grips secured, how do you feel? Like it?
Huh?
Let's make
No,
sure
mine's
it's
fine.
ready for activation. This the one. Sturdy, this one. It's firing. You are all set in the works. Excellent work. Your switch is here in the middle. It's time to activate. Slide up, and then deactivate. Right back down, okay? Great job.
I know. I'm just trying to get it all tightened.
Let's make sure it is ready to activate. This one is here in the center. So it's time for you to activate, slide up, deactivate, right back down.
Alright, looks great and sounds great. When he tells you to activate, go ahead and just push up on that switch and then back down to deactivate, okay? Perfect. And you get this out of your way. Good job.
Thank you.
It's force sensitive. I tried to do this myself this morning. You can see all the holes in the ceilings. Did not go very well. But we won't talk about that anymore. Feel the energy of the force and take a deep breath and activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. And remember, all it takes is a spark. Now raise them high. Raise them proud. You did it. The bond is complete. Excellent. Now please lower and deactivate your lightsabers.